What's going on, everybody? Quaku here, back with another video. Today I have something to show you. It is a concept, and it is a concept about the taskbar. Basically, the general premise that I have a question for you is, what if Microsoft took up some ideas from the Apple Touch Bar and implemented into the taskbar? So basically the taskbar had more functionality than just showing what you actually are doing, and it could show different elements based on different clicks and swipes. So in this concept, I'm going to open it up right now. I was watching Windows Weekly. You can see here that this is from JackH. I got it from the Fluent Design Hub on Discord, so shout out to them. And this is called Concept Power Taskbar on Windows 11. I haven't seen this video. I've only seen about a second of it just to see how it looks. So let's take a look. You see how that looks? It's a very short video. Timing, folders, just different things that you can pull up. It looks like recordings that you're doing, different things like that. So emojis come up. I'm not sure what that would really do. So you can see that right there. Now, if I go back and I slow down and go through it, so right here, we're in the beginning where it's still showing the normal Windows 11 taskbar, where it looks like power, automate or power something right there. You can see comparison to my actual taskbar on the bottom here, how it looks. You can see right there, his idea is to not make it take up the full stretch of the screen and rather make it take up just like a small portion of the screen. I'm not sure where that idea would come from, just because, or is it just because to copy Apple and how they're essentially their taskbar type thing stretches indefinitely, or stretches based on how many icons are on there. And so if you don't have any icons, their taskbar is essentially very small. I'm not sure what the idea for that stretch, that like kind of cropped in taskbar look. It does have rounded corners, so maybe it was done to just have rounded corners. I don't see the need for rounded corners for the taskbar, but let's keep going. All right, so right here, what I'm seeing here is, I guess these are timers. Yep, these are timers. I didn't notice it the first time. These are different timers, and they basically look like, I guess you can just preset some timers, add timers, and therefore, as long as you click this button here, which is kind of hard to see, and I'm not sure if it'll show up full screen or not. It might show up full screen. You can see that you press that button there and it goes down to this level right here. I'm going to make it windowed just in case it doesn't actually show up if I go full screen on the recording. But you can see that you can set your different timers and probably just tap and click each one to have the timers. Maybe, in my opinion, the timers are kind of big, but I guess it's a timer, so I'm not sure exactly. They feel kind of big for the experience that you're going to get out of it. Let's keep on going. So the timer is counting down. All right, so now you have recent folders. So basically you swipe down again, and then you can see recent folders, and just go through your recent folders right here. That looks pretty interesting to me. It's kind of too many clicks, because if I just simply click my start menu here, you can see that, I was studying and doing all these things, and you can see my recommended, which should just call it recent, that Microsoft should do. So in my opinion, that might be too many clicks. I don't think anyone's actually going to discover clicking the down arrow over there, but we'll keep going just in case, just to see what else is here. All right, so this is the one that's probably the most interesting to me, and that is the idea of the audio meter, or the sound. So as you're recording your voice or doing anything like that, you have quick access to voice recordings, because currently to get access to voice recordings, you got to open up your start menu, you got to type in voice recorder, and then you got to click it. But imagine if all you had to do was just go over to your taskbar, tap down twice, or maybe swipe or something, and just hit record, and it would just start recording. That would be pretty dope in my opinion. You can see the sound waves or the sound levels in a bar chart style right here, so that's pretty cool. Keep on going. All right, so now we got emoji. I guess this can be useful. I know I'm not sure the accessibility of the whole thing, but I won't even mention accessibility just yet. I guess it's useful because it's laid out straight across. I think the reason why Apple's touch bar worked for those who liked it is just because it reacted to based on the application that was open. So if it was a song, you would automatically switch to song stuff. Obviously you could switch it around. So this concept doesn't work for me, just because they don't show like What if you had a program open and it automatically switched over? I know that would throw people off because that means there'd be no other way to change like the program that you're in. You have to click a bunch of stuff just to get away, but let's just look at it with an open mind. And then we got finally here, I guess, annotation. So I guess it looks like someone's recording something. I'm not sure. And then you can annotate something and include computer sound and mic. So this is like screen recording. Include computer mic and sound and things like that in your screen recording. I'm not sure how that would work again, even if it was real. That's why I don't think this would be real ever. I mean, of course it would be not real ever. The idea overall is interesting. Okay, so it's over. So the idea overall is interesting, nevertheless, but what I'd like to see more from, what is it, JackH is, if you're gonna do the concept, make it more plausible. Maybe show a program open reacting. So the task, I almost said touch bar. The taskbar is reacting to the program that is open. So if I have a YouTube video open, it automatically reacts with YouTube playback controls. Maybe if I have I don't know, my email open, it automatically reacts by showing me easy ways to just jump into compose. Maybe have a compose button. And then if I have nothing open, it just has my normal taskbar to tell me what's next. And then obviously the problem will probably be maybe not make the elements take up the entire taskbar, but maybe still have some of the icons that are in our usual taskbar here, like the start menu especially, have those there. Or maybe your pin stuff, not Microsoft's defaults, but the pin stuff, have them always show. Something like that would probably be better for me. But overall, I mean, it's an interesting concept. It's an interesting idea. It's different. It's definitely not like the whole OS being refreshed or anything like that. Accessibility wise, I mean, most of the people that I know who are just the usual normal users of Windows that don't watch any of this kind of stuff, they don't even really, other than them, when they turn on the computer, they go straight to the program that was pinned here, and then they go straight into their browser and do their stuff. They don't ever use the start menu. They don't ever use anything like that. I think the closest thing they'd ever want to do is open the file explorer to just look for the file that they downloaded, and that's it. And most of the time they download everything to the desktop. So this could probably work, honestly, in that sense. So other than that, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below about this concept power taskbar, or basically just, I don't know, the task touch bar or something like that. I don't even know what's called. I was trying to think of something quirky. I couldn't do it. It's late. It's 12:45 a.m. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And last thing before I go, the video that was taken down, it's back, but not on YouTube because someone flagged the YouTube video of it. But I opened up a Patreon. Don't worry, it's free. You can just watch the video for free. You don't need to sign up for anything like that. The link, I'm going to try to remember to include it. It's a reminder for myself to include it in the description box for you guys to go to that Patreon. You don't have to back me. You don't have to do anything like that. Just go there to watch those tutorial videos, because I don't think I'm going to put them on YouTube because I guess someone on YouTube doesn't like that. That's probably Microsoft. I have no idea. So I'm going to go, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below about this specific concept. And if you have any other concepts that seem pretty interesting to me, shoot it my way. Shoot it my way. You can either join the Discord for Next Windows. It's obviously in the description box as well. Or you can send me an email at contact@nextwindows.com, which is nxtwindows.com. And I'll take a look at it and see if I want to feature it on the channel. But as always, take care and stay safe out there.